Good morning, it's Monday the 2nd of December. Jason Sen from daytradeideas.com. We're going to follow gold this week. So we've got a weekly chart of gold here in front of us. You can see we've been in a bear trend. We've been negative of gold for a long time. We're just sticking with the trend. So nothing too scientific about this. You stick with the bear trend. This triangular pattern is a continuation pattern. So we consolidated and then we broke lower a couple of weeks ago. Pretty much as you would have expected as we neared the end of the or the narrowing of part of the triangle. So what happens next? Well, we're staying with the bearish theme. We have got a little bit oversold on the daily chart though, so just in the very short term we could see a little bounce maybe this week. Obviously we've been struggling around the 1255 1256 area, as we had expected we would. There is a possibility we can just push through here this week. You're looking at the daily chart now, so if we're lucky and we get through there, we could see ourselves up in the mid 1270 area, which is just around here, and that would be retesting this trend line, and that would really offer us a very nice selling opportunity again. So just watch for the break above the mid 1250 area. We've got a low here of where is that, 1260. So if we could push through 1260, then that should set us on a path for the mid 1275, mid 1270 area. 1275, possibly 1280 by the time we get to this trend line. It could be in the low 1280s. If however we are unable to break higher, you can see they've just flicked to the 4-hour chart here, and we got a little bit we got quite oversold around the 28th of November, and then we managed to rally up, and that just unwound that. We got overbought, so there is a chance we just go sideways. There is a chance we just range between the sort of 1230 area to the mid 1250 area. We could just do that for a little while this daily stochastic here unwinds. So just be aware that we could trend sideways. There's a possibility if we get through the 1255 1260 area that we can retest a trend line. That would, as I said earlier, that would be a nice selling opportunity. You can see why we've managed to hold this 1235 1230 area. Good Fibonacci support, even though we did blip below here on the 25th of November. We managed a real good rally off there and a spike higher. So it's really only below 1227 that will start the next leg lower, but I don't know if that will happen this week. I think that might be delayed for a little bit longer. Could we see 1180 before the end of the year, before the end of December? Certainly that is possible. Any bounce is just a rally in a bear trend, and the overall bear trend will eventually resume and will head lower and probably test those lows at some stage. If not in December, then we should see 1180 in January. Okay, thanks very much. I'm Jason Sen from daytradeideas.com.